In this video, I'll show you how to use the Wi-Fi Direct feature of your HP DeskJet 4255e printer. This means that you can connect directly with your phone or computer to this printer Wi-Fi network. So first of all, let's go on this small control panel. We need to make sure that Wi-Fi Direct is enabled. So in this screen over here, you should see this icon right there. It's a printer with a smartphone. If you do not see this icon, press this Wi-Fi button. Press it once. If you don't see it, press again. And just by pressing it a few times like this, it will shuffle through different options, and one of them will be Wi-Fi Direct, and it will appear here. Now, once you did this, we need to get the Wi-Fi password of your printer because there's no way to know it simply by looking at the screen. Well, to do so, you simply need to press this I button here. You see, press it once. Make sure you have some paper in your printer because it will print the password. Okay, great. Let's take a look. Here we have Wi-Fi, and here we go. This is the Wi-Fi Direct icon, and you're gonna get the Wi-Fi name of your printer, and down below the number there, this is the Wi-Fi Direct password. Take your phone or computer, no matter what brand, and just go into the Wi-Fi settings. You're gonna see your printer being in the list there of all the networks that are around you. Direct, HP DeskJet 4200 series, click on it, and now we just have to type the password that is on the sheet of paper. Then press join, and here we go. We are currently connected to the printer. So open any file you want to print. I got this one. If you want to print a picture, simply go in your camera roll, tap on the picture you want to print, and you're gonna see on iPhone, it's this icon, on iPad as well. Okay, it's a square with an arrow. On Android, I think you have 3 dots on the top here you can press to get more options. And one of them should be print. So let me press here, go down, select print. On the top here, select your printer. So click here, click on HP DeskJet 4200 series. Make sure these settings are all right with you and press print. And just like that, we got our print quite quickly. Thanks for watching. Please check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get some paper, ink, or even a brand new printer. It's supporting my channel tremendously doing so. If not, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.